Hello guys and welcome to my new channel, Octa's Custom DieCast Garage. Yeah, I have to read my new name for the channel. Yeah, that's funny. Okay, today we're gonna make a wheel swap to change the wheels from this 1970 Toyota Celica. And I prepare a little bit. I use a little bit nail polish with acetone, and I open the package. Wow, voila! So now this is the car. Looks quite good to me. I like it. And red, yeah, it's a cool color. Love this car. Damn, it looks good. Looks damn good. Okay. Now I gonna change the wheels. I have some wheels from here from Monoblock. You see, with Yokohama tires and chrome polish. That looks very good to me. Yeah, that's my first video here on the channel, and I make some wheel swaps for the first, and I show you some cars, because the weather in Germany where I live is not so good for painting. Even in my garage I go, it's cold. I need to put a heater, and yeah, you know, it's a little bit difficult. It's not the weather for painting. And now I put it on the turnable display. I bought today. I was lucky, I don't need to order this. I just bought, and this was very good. And yeah, that's the car before we customize, and I will only change the wheels. So now it's the time for drill, to drill the rivets out. Yeah, a little bit difficult, but I think we fix it soon. So let's see. Yeah, it's very chromy, this underbody for the car. Yeah, I should put a more bigger drill. Maybe need to change. Now I change it to 5.5 millimeters. I hope that's work well. A little bit bigger. And now it works. Yeah. Yeah, that's what a bit hard, but it works. Yes, it works. Yeah, so far I don't need it to disassemble it, but put it together again because we don't need it. I need to paint the car. I only need to change the wheels, and for that I don't need to disassemble the whole car. And now we will see here the original axles that I will use for the car. So now the rear axle is out. Now I make the other front axle. Yes, it works too. And we have the car, the underbody without axles. So, and now we use the wheels from monoblock. I showed you again for tires with Yokohama tires. Yes, the wheels with Yokohama tires. And I put it on here, and the other second, and the third, and the fourth. Okay. Now I gonna cut from this tiny tube. You see, here's a tube. Yes. Yeah. Camera. Okay. I use the original axles here on this car, and I cut it in the middle. I used the original axles and I cut it in the middle. And put it again with the and I use this here. Yeah, it's a little bit difficult, but I think it would be works. And now I use a Sharpie for marking. And I cut on the right size. And I squeeze the wheel together with a tube. This tube is very soft metal, and that's why it works. Now I fixed the axles. You see here, it's not glued, not yet. And I need to make the chassis. Yeah, need to drill some holes to make better to put the axle on the car. And now I need to drill with my drill. Yeah, much easier is to drill with the I think better is to drill with a Dremel or something like that. With the power driller don't works for me. And after that I put chassis on the car, but for that I need to fix this with my Dremel. So now after I fix it, you see here, I need to glue it, and it's done for the moment. For the first front axle and rear axle, and I put the body together, and now it's the car fixing. So yeah, I drill with my power drill here. Yes. So now I need to put it together, and I use some super glue. No. Yes. Put it together. And now the axles. So now the other axle. Pam, 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 pam. Yes. Almost as new. Yes. So now I need to dry the glue and put the body with the chassis together and use the car. And I put it back on the turnable display. And now it's fixed. Please enjoy the car. Yeah, for me it was a little bit difficult to change the wheels. It was not the easiest car to swap the wheels, but it works and looks really great for me. If you like, please put a like on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.